Navigating prices and sizes in English-speaking environments can be crucial for shopping and everyday transactions. Let's break down how you can understand and communicate about prices and sizes effectively. Understanding prices currency terms. Dollars, cents, pounds, euros, etc., depending on the country. That costs $10.50. Asking about price. How much is this? Or, what's the price of this item? Could you tell me the cost of this shirt? Understanding sales tax. In some countries, the price displayed might not include sales tax. Is tax included in this price? Discounts and deals. Is there a discount on this item? Do you have any ongoing offers? Comparing prices. Is this the best price you can offer? I saw this item for $5 at another store. Understanding sizes, clothing sizes. Small, S, medium, M, large, L, extra large, XL. I'm looking for this in a size medium. Shoe sizes. Shoe sizes vary greatly between countries. Can I try this in size 8? Note, US, UK, and EU sizes differ. Measurements. Inches, centimeters, for length, waist size, etc. What are the dimensions of this table? Fitting rooms. Where is the fitting room? Or can I try this on? Food portions. In restaurants, you might encounter terms like small, medium, large, regular, etc. I'll have a large coffee, please. General tips. Carry a conversion app. Having a conversion app on your phone can be helpful, especially for currency and measurement conversions. Be aware of regional differences. Sizes can vary significantly between brands and countries. Ask for assistance. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're unsure about sizes or prices. Practice exercise. Try asking about the price and size of an item you're interested in. For example, "Excuse me, how much does this blue sweater cost? And do you have it in size large?" Conclusion. Understanding and communicating about prices and sizes is a practical skill that will greatly enhance your shopping experiences. Don't worry if you don't get it right the first time. With practice, it becomes easier. Keep exploring and practicing.